Okay, this is the one where they're getting, guys. Ito ba yung clams na to? Ang laki pala niya. Yan. So I asked the guy over there, it says like they took it for 2 hours. So this is what they got, guys, with these guys here doing coastal foraging. And then they said 2 hours of doing coastal foraging. This is what they get. Yeah, very nice. Ang laki niyan, guys, at saka almost full yung bucket, guys, oh. Very good. Okay, guys, magtanong muna tayo dito sa mga kung may matanungan tayo dito. And these guys down here are you know, these are the guys doing coastal foraging. Actually, they started like 8 o'clock kasi 6 o'clock nandito na sila, pero it was so foggy, guys. Kaya hinintay nila hanggang mag low tide, but the low tide is really super. Look at that, guys, oh. Ito puno ito ng tubig, but kapag high tide talagang hanggang doon sa dulo, guys. May boat naman akong nakita dumaan, kaya lang doon siya yung may line dyan, guys, parang guide nila nga nandun yung malalim. Doon sila dumadaan kapag low tide para hindi sila sasadsad kung gusto nilang mangisda. So yung nakausap ko, guys, parang siya yung ibang lahi pero mabait naman. Pinakita niya yung gamit niya. Tinanong ko saan niya binili, parang hindi niya naintindihan yata. Basta pinakita lang niya yung mga gamit niya pang kuha ng mga clams na yun. Alright, guys, tapos dito talagang napakaluwag ng coastal area kapag mag-low tide. Tama yung sinabi yung kaibigan ko. You come up here during full moon, which is full moon last night, and then kapag ma-timing yung low tide na yan, talagang super low tide talaga. Yung katubigan dito talagang mapuno yan ng yung katubigan na yan, which is puno during high tide, ito hanggang dito sa almost sa mga damo-damo yung tubig. Ngayon tingnan mo, guys, oh, parang halos na siya makarating doon sa kabilang island. So tama yung sinasabi yung kaibigan nating RVR nga, palagi din siyang ditong nagtatambay. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Bye bye you.